Hey everyone, welcome to Error Cure YouTube channel. If you are getting the 504 vehicle connection error while trying to send commands to your Tesla, don't worry, I will use some tips to fix this error. First, you should to check your internet connection. If no issue in your internet, then next. Second is update your Tesla mobile app into the latest version. If already do, then follow next. Reset your Tesla mobile application. Begin by logging out of your account on the Tesla mobile app, then log back in. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the application. If none of the above solutions is working, then contact customer care of Tesla. If video is helpful, then like, share and subscribe Error Cure channel.